everyone, it's Krista here at the house working on the taco truck. So let's turn you around. I bought one of them cheapo Amazon horns. It's got a little relay, it's got a little compressor and a hose that goes to the horn. The horn's just kind of wedged underneath all this crap, zip tied at that end, so maybe it doesn't make noise and rattle. Well, let's check. Sure, why not? I had it actually sitting there for a week. For the ground, I just went off this pole. I've got the ground for the air compressor and the ground for the relay, both tied in here. And then, like, the only real weird wire is I took this one just kind of across to this vacuum hose, and then around and over to the battery, aka the lightning cube. Now, for the actuation, we came over here, and the horn's actually right in there. Oh, cool, you can totally see the pink connector. So I just unplugged the connector, the OEM connector, from the horn itself, and then shoved a blade connector into that, and then like a couple zip ties to make sure it's not going to come undone. You know, this thing's an 88, so it's got all kinds of spare room under here. So I just picked that area. It's a V6, all that spare room, that works. I mean, that Project Farm guy did a little review of the cheapy horns, and the cheapest Amazon one did pretty good. So yeah, we're pretty proud of that crap. I mean, you gotta have your white trash happening. I mean, if you're white trash. If you're not white, you can have a different kind of trash. That's up to y'all's thing. So yeah, I mean, pretty simple install. Now, I guess I should flip you back around and tell you about the gotchas, because there's a gotcha. Now, they do give you this wiring loom protection crap. Who cares? To their benefit, this is the leftover wiring, so there's plenty left over. If you were to do the least efficient possible, you'd run out. Now, one thing that kind of got me was their connectors really suck. I think it's just the metal of their tin is not very sturdy. So I have my own that I've always had. And then, like, I've got this Blue Point crimper from forever ago. I mean, literally this is 20 years old, so I've been, crimping wires once or twice before. The other thing is you got to figure out how to get your grill off. And so you just like Google that. And so for Toyota, you learn that there's these little tab do things here. And you're supposed to lift up on the tab and then pull, and then it undoes. Just research how to do that for your vehicle and buy new tabs, because they're going to break. And while I was in here, I got a new hood protection holder disc thing. Now, all of the stuff died in this corner, so he's not there. But, I took care of that while I was in here. But yeah, pretty mellow. I mean, all my trash is contained in one place, so... And I use Slava Ukraine colors because they were in the kit. Not the kit I bought, but they were in the kit of cable ties from Girlfriend Charlotte. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for checking in. I'm gonna put this right here. We're live on the Books of Facebook, and then we're gonna put this on the tubes of viewing, and it'll be good. So thanks so much. We'll see you later. Bye. How do I finish? There it is. Yeah.